Hey everybody, this is a review on the Elite Rewind Hoover Never Wrap a Cord Again vacuum. I'm gonna attempt to vacuum this floor in here. It hasn't been vacuumed in a while, but I'd say maybe 2 months. But I did shampoo it. That when I 2 months ago I shampooed it. So let's see what the Hoover Rewind picks up on this floor for the first time. It's been vacuumed, and like I said, it's been vacuumed and shampooed. It just needs to be vacuumed again, and I want to see what it picks up, what's lurking in the carpet. So let me go ahead and get the vacuum going here. Pull out, this thing is neat because it's got the cord rewinds, and that's really the main reason I bought it, was the cord attachment, or the cord rewind. Okay, and it's got a pretty long cord, you know, it's about 25 feet. So not only does it wind up, but it's also very long. So this is going to be a continuous shot, so you see that I'm not putting anything in the, this thing here is empty. It's empty. I mean, I don't know if you can see, it's dirty, but it's empty. See, here's the release button, and it's empty. So let's see what's lurking in the carpet. I do this video because when I buy something, I go on YouTube and I look to see if there's any reviews on it before I buy it. And there was only like one on this one, and the kid was just BSing. He was bullshitting. He wasn't really doing any review. So this thing comes with all kinds of a hose and some tools and little stuff on the side, but I'll get to that later. Let's get to vacuuming. Oh shit, that button I'm kicking there is actual to get the cord back. Here's the power button. Let's see what we can pick up. It's got good suction. It's said to never lose suction. And you can actually hear it sucking into that carpet. I mean, you could actually, you've almost got to like really pull it off the carpet, because it's like wanting to suck the carpet up, which is great. It means it's really going to work. And I've got 2 cats, and they come in here a lot. So there'll probably be a lot of hair and dust particles and you name it in this thing. Wow, this thing is like, you really got to put a little bit of force behind it. To get it moving, because it's really in the carpet. It's like really sucking up the carpet. What you don't want to do is run over the cord accidentally, because it'll suck the cord up. need to do is get over the cord. There we go. Never mind the mess. I had to move everything off the floor to get everything. So let me move this fan. Get behind it. I'm glad I did, because it's really getting in there. So I'm almost done. Just wanted to go over a couple spots, heavy spots where I walk in and out, where the cat's walking in and out. Okay, and a little bit under the bed. Okay. So that is a well done carpet. Now I'm just going to pull it straight off. It's an easy release too. Okay, let's go. Let's just go straight to the bathroom. Sorry about that. Let's go straight to the bathroom. And what I'm going to do is just dump it in the toilet so you can see what was in my carpet. Actually, what I want to do is dump it in the sink, and I'll clean it up later. You can see this. Wow, I can't believe that was in my carpet that wasn't that dirty. If you see, look at that. I mean, the carpet did not look dirty. You'd be amazed of what's in the carpet. I mean, look at this. All of that was in there. I've been in there breathing that crap for I don't know how long. Okay? So, I'm telling you, the main reason why I made this video, here's the box, is because I did that on my living room carpet, and it brought up like what you just seen in the sink there. It brought up like you know, 3 or 4 batches of that, and I wanted to show you what it did to this room, which I haven't touched yet. This is not an extensive review. It's just pretty much showing you that this vacuum, this Hoover Elite Rewind, okay, 12 amps with a rewindable cord, is an awesome vacuum. And I'm big on vacuums. I mean, I really like vacuum, real powerful vacuums. And I was hesitant to buy it because I didn't see any reviews on it, and I'm telling you, this thing is the best. And see, even Lola agrees. She's like, wow, a nice clean carpet finally. Okay, well, that's basically it. If you're debating on getting this, like when I was in Walmart, I actually went on YouTube in Walmart on my phone and looked up reviews. And like I said, I didn't find any. But if you're in Walmart and doing what I did with the reviews, looking them up on YouTube, this review here, me telling you straight up that this vacuum, this is the second time I've ever used it, is amazing. And it was only 88 bucks. Amazing, amazing vacuum. When in doubt, get it. This is Joe's review. First time reviewing on anything, but I wanted to review this vacuum. It was that good. I've never reviewed anything before, but with this vacuum, 100% I want to get... What's this cat? Yeah, 100% I wanted to get the this thing on a YouTube and maybe help a consumer out there. Leave me a comment below if you got the same, or if there's another vacuum out there that's just as good, just as cheap. I mean, it's got to be under 88 bucks. All right, bye.